Welcome back, my dear lovely students. How are you? All good? So, good evening. Let's start the class. Alright? So, how was your last class? How was it? Did you feel good? Did you understand my Hindi, my English, my pronunciation, and everything? I hope it was okay. I'm really sorry if it was something was hard to understand. I'm really sorry, and I'll keep on working to make it better. All right. So I'm really happy with one thing you did for me last week. You did all of your works. That was great, and really thank you. I expect this type of appreciation and participation in my class, and that is really good what you did. All right, it was great, and I hope we all get better in Hindi and we wonderfully enjoy the classes from now onwards. So for that I need your active participation more, like the last class itself. Okay, it was great, and thank you all. Now, where was we? Where were we? So we were, you know we were going through one of our friends life, right? Who's our friend? Our friend's name is Sina. We were going through Sina's life, right? We went through Sina's morning routine where her mother wakes her up, and then we went through Sina's breakfast routine where she is thankful to her mother, where she loves her mother. In that poem it is मेरी प्यारी माँ में लिखा गया है, मेरी प्यारी माँ के बारे में और उसके प्यार के बारे में, उसका अनमोल प्यार के बारे में. So from this इकाई of अनमोल प्यार we learn first chapter प्यारी माँ, then घर. We wrote Saman Shabd, and then we wrote 3 questions. We went to Sina's ghar when we made a conversation. We met Sina's new friend. Then we came to know that Sina's house is near hospital. We met Anu. Okay, we made a conversation for them. So it was a wonderful class, right? And then we at last made a profile for ourselves. I saw all of your profile. It was great. Nice artwork. I saw some of their artwork, which was very beautiful. Okay, it was really good. Now, moving on to the third part of our Sina's life. So we saw her in the morning, where in the morning eating breakfast. Then we saw her to going to school at the at a noon time, or before, just like 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock time. Now शाम को सीना पतंग से ले साथ. Now she's come back after school. Okay, she's back at home. What do we do in the evening? We all go and play games, right? We play different types of games, hide and seek, different types of games. So Sina here loves kite, patang, kite, the kite. She loves the kite. So Sina here is going to play with her kite. Often we don't play in Kerala with kites, but yes, we do. But Sina here plays with her kite, the beautiful kite with that beautiful face. Okay, so here is your first page. Okay, so you got your first page. You can see there Sina cutting her kite and making it ready and making it beautiful. You can see that long rope. See all of that. All right. Okay. Now Sham ko Sina patang ke saath. Okay. Now it is evening and she's going to play. So she's with her kite. Alright. So Sina starts cutting her kite, makes it beautiful, and tying the ropes with her. And Sina says below, "Wah, kitni sundar ho." Okay. After that, she she flies the kite. The kite is in the air, and you can see the kite smiling. Khush ho na? She asks the kite that, "Aren't you happy?" So I'll just describe the first picture. Wow, kitni sundar ho. Wow, how beautiful it is. See, she's looking at the kite and saying, wow, how beautiful it is, right? And then after that, the second picture, you can see the kite is in the air. You can see the expression on kite's face, right? It's smiling always. Its eyes are lit up and happy. And you see, it's a red kite, so it's smiling. So Sina asks the kite, "Aren't you happy? Khush hona." Khush is happy. Aren't you happy? So the kite smiles. It's like the kite is smiling there. Okay. Now we move on to the next page. All right. Page number 16. So here goes your page number 16. Okay. So all of a sudden, what happened? Look at the kite. Sina is crying. The kite is crying. It's a bad. What happened? So all of a sudden, while kite was flying, a hard wind blew. There was a very powerful wind which came through Sina's kite, and the Sina's kite, like, it was going fast, up and down, up and down. There was lots of trees also, so it went fast, and it caught the tree. It was stuck in the tree and it tore a bit. You can see that in that first picture. You can see that kite is crying, Sina's crying. It broke off Sina's hand and it got caught in the tree. Look at that. The kite even tore a bit. It is stuck in the tree. Now Sina can't take it. So Sina asks there, "Kya karu? What will I do now? The kite is stuck." It's a sad moment. Now Sina goes back home, says the story to her father. She's already sad. She lost her kite. She really loved that kite, and she even made that kite. So she was so sad. Now when she goes back home and says this problem to her father, you can see that the father made her another kite in that picture. See, there's a beautiful purple another kite in the picture where her father made it for her. So what does Sina say? No, वही पतंग चाहिए. नहीं, वही पतंग चाहिए. I need that kite itself. नहीं, वही पतंग चाहिए. She doesn't want the new kite. She wants her old favorite kite back. Her red favorite kite back. See, poor Sina. Now she's sad. She doesn't know what to do. So that's in that second page. Now we'll move on to the third page. So you can see that Sina went to the that tree where the kite was caught. Sina went there and she took a stick. She took a long stick. She was like, "However, whatever happens, I will take this kite off the tree." So Sina goes and takes a stick and she goes to the tree. Now near the tree, she's like poking the kite so hard for it to fall down, so that Sina gets the kite. Poor Sina is trying hard, and then at last, after lots of try, so she says, you can see that oof is she's trying hard to get the kite. Oof. And then after that, she got the kite in her hands. See, you can see that kite in her hands. Now she's happy. The kite is also crying, but it is also a little bit happy. You can see it on her face. Okay. So Sina's also, she got the kite back. She got her favorite kite back. Now Sina is also asking the kite that, "Dard hua kya? Like, did you feel pain? Are you hurt? Dard, pain hua kya? Did you have pain?" The poor kite got in the wind and got stuck in the tree and broke. So it will obviously have pain. So the Sina was asking, "Did you get pain?" So see, that was a simple story. Sina made a wonderful kite. She made it clear and she started flying it. Then it caught up in a wind and it caught in a tree. She goes crying home and says this to her father. Her father makes her a new one, but she is not happy with it. She wants her old kite itself. And she goes to that kite and puts a stick and pulls that kite down, and she's happy. She got her kite back. Alright. Now, this is an activity page and this is an activity chapter. I've got activity for you all and a surprise. Alright. So here goes your surprise. See? Okay. Now, I want you all, you can see that beautiful kite there, right? Okay. Now, there's colors given. Peela is yellow. You can see the first color, peela is yellow. Though kala is black. Okay, so kala is there. And 3, hara. Hara is green color, and lal is red color. Okay, you can see 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you can see the kite there and different types of numbers inside the kite. All right, you can see there different types of numbers inside the kite. So I want you to color the kite however the number is given. You can see one, for example, one pila. You can see at the top end. Okay, there is the color, the top end pila color. And you can see kala. Kala is black color. Number 2 is in his eyes, and third color hara is in his nose. Then 4, red is in lots of different places. Okay, you can see that. I want you to color by that scheme itself and make it beautiful. All right, and after that, see, you can read that below, bataye mere naam. So I want you to give a wonderful and a cute name to the kite. All right, a wonderful and a small and a cute name. I hope you can give that to the kite. So you can, after naming the kite, naam diya hai तो फूल का रंग को रंग दो. Now you can see a beautiful picture of a flower there, and small plant, a flower. I want you to color that with any color. Make it so beautiful. Draw a flower, because you don't have a textbook, or if you have a textbook then good. So draw a flower with beautiful color. Okay, all right, so this is all that you have to do in this chapter. Make a beautiful drawing, make a beautiful coloring, and after that giving it a beautiful name, and then just color the flower. All right, I hope you understood. This is an easy chapter. If you have any doubts, please don't worry, you can ask me. Thank you.